Right, so today we're going to fit mini Bitz belt line kit. So, comes with fitting instructions with pictures. Alcohol wipes to clean the chrome first, and a cutting tool to get the cut into the edge. So the kit comes with 6 individual strips, which are 2 meters each, so there's plenty enough to do all your car. So keep a strip out for each individual trim.
So the kit comes with 6 individual strips, all 2 meters each, which is more than enough to do. We're going to be fitting on the R52 convertible, which makes it a little bit more difficult due to the way the belt line cuts, but it should be straightforward.
Right, so it's really important to clean like the little edges right at the end of the trim, because a load of dirt always gets quite stuck in there, and these parts are important that you get this bit to stick, otherwise you don't want it to peel. So you just need to measure up the piece of vinyl roughly with quite a bit of overlap on each piece of trim. So obviously that one's quite sufficient, so if you just chop that off. So if you peel the vinyl back off the backing paper, place it on to the chrome trim, making sure that you line up with the top rubber line and keep it a little bit overlapped.
Just get a bit of oh, right out of focus. Yeah.
Okay, and then start going along the trim, peeling the backing back, matching the line at the top and rubbing it in. I would advise, if it's cold, to put a little bit of heat on and get another person with hands to come over the top while you're rubbing it on. Just heats the glue and helps it like adhere to the surface. So, as you can see that the vinyl is overlapped, so if you just gently go over the vinyl, pushing your nail into the top where the rubber is, just making sure the vinyl's stuck in. Okay, so once you're happy with it cutting the edge, get the cutting tool that's supplied in the kit, get the blade right into the edge and gently cut down. Right, so this is the bit that everyone says difficult because you've got a curve, but if you just take your time and a little bit at a time, it's not that hard. Right, so just keep following the line, pulling the vinyl round. Just keep lining it up. As long as you follow the line at the top, it should just follow around.
Just move around a bit.
And you can work with it quite easy around there. But like I say, it is really easy to work with, and then just rub your nail into the line to keep it going round. Imperfections, you can just go around with a bit of heat and rub it in.
Hold on to me. Until your faith is shaken, there's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind. And I know that right now I'd like to play the part to rebuild you one more time. And I say